Hi, my name is Bren. Let's release some tension from the neck. Start in any kind of comfortable seat. We're going to slow down just a little bit by noticing the breath. So you don't need to change what you're doing or how you're breathing, but draw your attention towards the breath. That might be the sensation or the movement that happens when you breathe. You might hear some sound caused by your breath. Just notice. We'll use the breath as a focal point or an anchor point throughout our few minutes together here. Sit up nice and tall and reach your fingers out and down. They might touch down on the floor on either side of you. Sitting up tall and reaching with the fingers might already give you some stretchy sensation going down the arms. We're going to tilt the head towards the left, so left ear towards left shoulder, but keep the shoulders as they were. Just the head is tilting. And then start to crawl your right fingertips farther away from your seat. Take a deeper, slower breath. Gently reaching away with that right arm. You could start to turn the head. Your nose goes down towards your left knee or your left shoulder. Aware of some changing sensation in the right side of the neck. Let's watch 3 more cycles of breath here. Slowly bring your head back to center. And we'll go to the other side. Tip your right ear to your right shoulder as your left fingers crawl away from you. Take a deeper, slower breath. Keep reaching with the left hand as you turn your nose down towards your right knee. Allow 3 more cycles of breath to go by. Slowly come back to center. You might roll the shoulders out. And simply turn your head, look towards the left, as far as you happen to be able to go. And come back to center, look towards the right. And come back to center. Now we're going to put the back of the left hand on the lower back and sit up tall. Or you might slide your left hand across so the forearm crosses the lower back and reach your left fingertips to your right elbow. See if you can keep your chest facing forward. Collarbones are broad. Turn your head towards the right. Take a deeper, slower breath. We'll start to make some very small yes and no movements with the head. Nodding and shake the head side to side. 2 more times. Nod and shake. Again, yes, no. Keep your arms as they are. Bring your head back to center. Now tip your right ear towards your right shoulder. Take a breath into that left side of the neck. We'll tuck the chin down towards the chest and make a semicircle. Roll your head down through center and over to the other side, left ear towards left shoulder. See if you can keep sitting up tall. Again, chin through the center. Tip your head to the right. down through center, and to the left. Come back to center, release gently that left arm, roll the shoulders. Look to the left. Look to the right. Other side, back of the right hand rests on the lower back, or your forearm reaches across and behind right fingertips hold the left elbow. Sit up tall. Turn your head to the left. Nod your head gently, yes, and no. A couple more times. This can be a really small, slight movement, nodding and shaking the head. Keep your arms as they are, but bring your head back through center, looking forward. Now we'll tip the left ear towards the left shoulder. Take one of those deeper, slower breaths. And we'll tuck the chin down towards the chest, make that semicircle roll, head goes through the center and over to the right. Chin towards chest and left ear to left shoulder. One more time. Circle your head through center and over to the right. We'll bring everything back to neutral. Slowly release the arms. Look to the left. Look to the right. Sitting up tall, take a deeper, slower breath. We'll bring hands behind the head, elbows wide. You don't need to pull on the head, but that little bit of awareness, feeling the hands on the back of the head. Lift the chin, spread your elbows as wide as you can. And then dip your chin down towards your chest as you bring your elbows towards each other in front of you. This is sort of like a seated cat-cow movement. You could inhale, lift the chin, elbows wide. Exhale, looking down, elbows towards each other. Go ahead at your own breath. You could inhale, lift up, open up. Exhale, look down. Let's continue this pattern for 3 more cycles of breath. When that's complete, release the arms, find your tall seat. Look to the left. Look to the right. Look to the left and pause there. Inhale, grow a little bit taller. Exhale, maybe you look 1 millimeter farther over your shoulder. Bring your head back through center. Look to the right. Pause there. Inhale, get taller. Exhale, look a tiny bit farther. And come back through center. Let's watch 3 more deep, slow breaths. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. See you again.